Elizabeth, when something goes wrong in the cases where we have had issues with the microscopes, it's actually been more technical problems, just with people not being familiar with the microscope yet initially. We do provide support. So any issues that people have, we'll first get information on what the actual issue is, clarity on what the challenge is that the person's experiencing. We would schedule a video call if necessary to go through what the challenges are. And then if there are any problems, usually if it's something that actually needs to be replaced, if there is a component that's actually failed, in the very rare occurrence that happens, we usually just ship the replacement part through by courier. As I mentioned, these microscopes are quite modular, so not very difficult to change a part on the microscope. But if it is a case where it is something really technical and the person is not able to do it themselves, then we would contract out a microscope technician in the area who would then be able to fix the microscope for them. We've been supplying these microscopes to practitioners across the world for many years now, and we've actually never had the instance where we had to arrange for a technician to actually go and see someone. So they're quite sturdy and reliable. We don't really have any problems with them.
No, they're quite robust, aren't they?
Yeah, the reason for that is that people become dependent on their microscopes, and when you start looking at blood samples and you see the benefit of actually getting that information from your client's blood, it really becomes very difficult to work without it. People become quite dependent on their microscopes, and often their clients also demand having their blood tested. So, if someone goes to see you and your microscope is not working, it usually is quite problematic. So we make sure that the microscopes can handle being in a busy practice where they're utilized every day.